log base 4 of 3x plus 11 is equal to log base 4 of 3 minus x. Okay, remember the other day when we said we could do anything to it as long as we did the same thing to both sides? Well, the other day we took the log of each side. Today we're going to take the log of each side and take it away. Because, can I? Aren't they just alike? So I have 3x plus 11 equals 3 minus x. Okay? Do you all hear noise, music? That went off. I can't tell if it's the board making a noise or something from another room. Can I solve for x?
Yeah.
So what am I going to have? All right. Now, when x is negative 2, I have to make sure what I'm taking the log of is positive. So I put this here. Is that a positive number?
Yeah.
When I put it here, is it a positive number? So that's my answer. So I sort of have to check it, but I don't have to check it exact. Does that make sense to you?
Yeah.
Wait, so what did you do?
I put it in each place there was an x and made sure it was a positive number. All right. So what if I went a little bit different? Well, let's have to get a new page. Log of x squared plus 7x equals log of 18. Do they look the same on both sides that I could get rid of the word log?
Yeah.
So what would I have? X squared plus 7x equals 18? How could I solve this? Okay, x squared plus 7x minus 18 equals 0?
Yeah.
Okay, at this point, you have a choice. You can factor the opposite of FOIL,
Yeah.
or you can polysmoke. You factored it. What'd you factor it to?
No, not in
Oh, well, I've already said equal to 0.
Okay, x plus 9x minus 2. So x is negative 9, x equals 2. Can I put both of those back in and get a positive number? Yes? So this is my answer. All right? So what if I have 6 log base 5 of 4x minus 3 minus 2 equals 16. I can't get rid of the word log. Can I get the word log by it, but I'm taking log of by itself? Add 2. So 6 log base 5 of 4x minus 3 equals 18. Now what? So log base 5 of 4x minus 3 equals 3. When I only have the word log once, I have to switch it back to exponential form. Remember when we switched back and forth? So what would this be? 5 to what? Equals, right? So 125 equals 4x minus 3. 128 is 4x. What is x? 32. Now, will that work? When I put 32 here, am I going to get a positive number? So this is my answer. You good with that? I'm trying to see.
Doing today? Is this the only concept we're doing today?
Well, some different type problems, but basically yes. What? You think they're going to get harder? Typically it gets progressively harder, I agree. But we're hanging in there, right? I don't know if it gets harder, it gets
More complicated.
it gets different. It gets different.
So will we do the same thing if there's log of both sides but with different bases?
You won't have that.
You don't have that.
You're not ready for that hard yet. All right. Log base 6 of 7x minus 2 equals 1 plus log base 6 of x plus 5. Well, I can't get rid of the word log, because it doesn't match up, right? No, because I can't do it with the 1. See, there's not log of the whole side is not log. So, when that happens, I have to get everything with the word log on one side. How could I do that? Okay. So log base 6 of 7x minus 2 minus log base 6 of x plus 5 equals 1. I need to get where I only have the word log one time. Remember the properties? This is a minus.
Oh, it'll be 7x minus 2 over x plus 5.
Log base 6 of 7x minus 2 over x plus 5 equals 1. Now what? What did I do last time I had something like this?
Both sides of x plus 5.
I've got to get rid of the word log before I can multiply. How would I do that? 6 to the 1 equals 7x minus 2 over x plus 5. Right? What do I do now?
Multiply by x plus 5.
Okay, basically what I'm going to do is cross multiply, aren't I? So do I have 6x plus 30 equals 7x minus 2? Right? Do you agree? So can I move the 6x and the 2 and say 32 is x? Now, is this positive? Is this positive? So my answer is 32?
So is it possible to have no solution if there's like none of, if you plug it back in, they're negative?
Absolutely, that is. Can I go harder? I don't know. That's ln of x plus ln of x minus 4 is equal to ln of 3x minus 10. In order to get rid of ln, which is log, I have to have 1 on each side. So can I do something with that left side where I only have the word ln once? Multiply them together. So I have ln of x squared minus 4x equals ln of 3x minus 10. Right? Now what? Well, get rid of ln.
Get rid of ln.
So x squared minus 4x equals 3x minus 10. Now what? Well, I need to get it equal to 0, don't I? So x squared minus 7x what are my x's?
-2 and -5.
Well, it's gonna factor into this. Hang on a minute, Chandler, isn't it?
Yes, it's 5.
5 and 2. Now, when I put them in up here, does the 5 work? Does the 2 work?
No.
So my answer is just x equal 5. Okay, I have done several examples. Do you all think you understand it?
Yes.
You think you're good?
Yep.